In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select multiple items here in Canva. So, this is actually relatively easy to do. All we have to do is simply click, drag and highlight the elements to select multiple. Now, if I let go, we can see that all of these have now been selected together. Now, let's go back one like so, because if there's an element that you don't want to select, then you have to lock that element. So for this example, we want to lock this background. So we click onto the background or the element, click on this little lock icon, just like that, and now this background has been locked, which means if I now select these two like that, we're not selecting that background because it's locked. Now what we can do from here as well is actually group items together, like so, and now these elements just here have been grouped. Now if you want to ungroup them, let's go back one. We simply want to click onto the elements which have been grouped, click on ungroup, and there we go. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to select multiple items here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.